All right, so again, we have some problems here that have x on both sides of the equations. In the past, I said, you know what? We should probably isolate x on the left because that's what we're typically used to doing. I know that's not the only rule, but that's what I'm going to show for this first time. So also, I've got, I need to get x on the first one side first. So how do I undo this 15x? Well, I need to subtract 15x, right? So if I subtract 15x, and I also have to subtract 15x from this side, okay, now we're going to end up with a negative, what is that going to be? 3 minus 15. 3 minus 3 would be 0, and then it's going to be another 12. So negative 12x minus 7 is equal to, that becomes 0 because we undid it, right? Equals 17. Okay, so I need to undo subtracting 7. I've got 12x, negative 12x, that's fine. So I can add 7. That will undo subtracting 7. To balance, I do that to the other side. So I've got negative 12x is equal to, oh, this is 24, right? 24. Okay, so now I need to undo the multiplication because I'm multiplying by negative 12. That's what that is, right? So how do I do that? Well, I'm going to have to divide by negative 12. And to balance, I need to do that to the other side as well. It's raining out here. So I have x is equal to, and a positive divided by a negative is a negative, so negative 2. Okay, and let me change colors here. I'll go to something else. Let's say purple. Let's check that. You should always check your answer because you want to know if it's correct, right? So 3 times x. We're saying x is negative 2, and we're testing it. Does that work? So 15 times x, which is negative 2, we think it is. We're testing it. So negative 6, right? Because 3 times negative 2, minus 7. Is that equal to 15 times negative 2? That's negative 30 plus 7. So this is going to be negative 13, right? And this is going to be, oh, this is 17, yeah. Okay, sorry, I didn't copy the question down right. Good thing I caught that, right? That's negative. So negative 30 plus 17, that is equal to negative 13. Right? You can check with your calculator. That's kind of a tough one to do in your head. So yeah, it does check out. It works.